Hey, I'm Kevin from Cafe Fika team. So this is my HTML web page. So here I have put some sort of products that we sell in our cafe. So here we go. You can see it. After that, I have put some sort of something like a brief description about our cafe. Here you go. Then after that, I have put what our customers say. So a few feedbacks about our customers. At last, I put the menu and everything. So this is my code. This is my CSS style sheet. And then this is my HTML.
Hello everyone, this is Purvi. I designed the product page of our website, Cafe Fika. In this website, we have 3 categories: hot drinks, cold drinks, and sides. For each and every product, we have 3 tabs: the info tab that displays the details of the product, the nutritional value, which has a table consisting all the values of the product, and then the size tab. For this website, we were mentioned to use a side tab, and for the aside tab, I've used the size tab, which the aside tabs list if the product is dine in or takeaway. We have cold drinks, we have hot drinks, and then we have the sides. Every tab has its own 3 buttons that lists info, nutritional value, and the size. And in the end, we have the footer, which mentions about us, and all the tabs are working. Now let's have a quick look at the code. In the beginning, I have the nav bars that link to all the other pages, our section categories, then our hot drinks, which has the table mentioned. Each and every drink has a table mentioned for the nutritional value, then the aside value for the size and dine-in or takeaway options, the unordered list, the aside list. Then we have all the other categories, the cold drinks, the sides. After which, in the end, we have um, our ordered list for the side option.
Hello everyone, today I'll be presenting the About page and the Enhancement page. The About page is simply showing our team members details like their names, their interests, and a short description. And this is the details with email links. Each member got the same design for the About page. And for the student details, I have used DL and DT to show the details of each student. And at the bottom, we got a timetable where it's a button that we can click on and expand the timetable when we want to view it. We use the detail and summary for expanding and collapsing the timetable. Moving on to the enhancement page is basically listing all the enhancement that we have done. The first enhancement is the details and summary for the table. The second enhancement is this one, where you can see the effects. When you hover on, it will slightly brightens up the whole background. And the last enhancement is responsive design, which is specifically for iPad mini. So when you click on inspect and see, it fits perfectly for the iPad mini version.
Hello, I'm Marga, and I'm the one responsible to make the inquiry page for our website. So the inquiry page, of course, will have the boxes to input the users' details. So the first name and last names, they're just a drop down, email, phone number. I use the input type text. The state, drinks, and foods. I use the drop down menu, the select one. And the drink features, food features. I use the checkbox. The comments, the additional comments, I use the text box. For the CSS or styling, I use the font here, the Playfair display. Use the function for the universal one, so each one of the fonts are same. And then for these ones, the ones with the dots are the classes used in HTML. And then for this little animation, the submit and reset, and the home, about us, product list, inquiry, contact, I use this function where if you hover your cursor on them, it will change the color. And then for the gradient above the HR line, it will be using the background as well, the linear gradient. So I use the color brown, yellow, and a bit of a cream. That's it. Thank you.